The Rice Revolt. Nupi Lan, the heroes we aspire. Narrated by Kirsten for 1 Million Heroes. In the midst of British colonial rule, the women of Manipur faced a pressing issue: the export of rice that caused scarcity and suffering in their community. With unwavering determination, they decided to take matters into their own hands. Gathering in large numbers, the women formed a human chain around the warehouses, blocking the export of rice. They stood firm, chanting slogans, and sending a powerful message to the British authorities. Their collective action not only halted the export but also showcased their courage and unity in the face of adversity. This act of defiance inspired others to join the movement and brought attention to the plight of their people, ultimately leading to positive change.